everyone, welcome to New Bear. Today we're going to make spiral rings. These are really pretty decorative rings. So we're starting with a normal ring and we're making 8 picot 6. We're going to post our shuttle. So take your shuttle from the front through the back and close our ring. Holding our ring at the start, and we're holding it on the left side only. Pull the shuttle thread up the back of the ring towards the picot. We're making a lock join. Reversing our work, set your hand up for the next ring, which we're going to work using rods. We're making the same stitch count of 8 picot 6. So doing the second half first, the first half second. This time, when we close our ring, we don't post our shuttle. You can see I've made a much larger picot here. I'm going to explain that in a second. So again, holding the left side of the ring, pull the shuttle thread up toward the picot and make a lock join. The back of our work. Looking at the front, I want to show you the direction of our spirals. So posting our shuttle makes our spiral go clockwise, while not posting our shuttle makes our spiral go anti-clockwise. So I mentioned picots before. We can play with the size of our picots to create a different look to our work. If we want our spirals to be close together, we need to use a small picot. The larger our picot, the greater the distance between our rings. We can dress up our spirals with a sprinkle of beads. Beads need to be loaded onto our shuttle before we start working. So we can let a bead down onto our thread, wrap your hand for your ring and work stitches of 8 picot 6. Have the bead at the bottom down here so it's not in the way of where you're trying to work. As we pull the ring closed, that bead is going to sit in the base. If you want to add a second bead, let another one down. Hold on to the side of your ring, pull up towards your picot and run your bead down. That's going to place that bead into the middle. Make our lock join. And our bead will sit in the middle of our spiral. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.